Hello, today I'm gonna teach you how to make breakfast dry tomato. You can just spread your bread and eat it. I have around 250 gram dry tomato. I boil them like with very little water, just about 2-3 minutes to make them a little bit softer. Mine was soft, but if you feel it needs to be a little soft, you can just boil a little bit more. And I put them in chopper, and I'm gonna add my favorite spices inside. You can add curry, oregano. I'm using, it's called kekik, Turkish one, but today I don't have it, so I'm gonna use the oregano. And cumin and paprika and couple piece of garlic and olive oil. Add the olive oil first and chop it together so they can just mix it together. It's not necessary to be very smooth like a cream smooth, but it needs to be a little bit more smoother than this. When you spread on your bread, it's not supposed to be like stay in your mouth. So you can just choose how much thick, how much thin you want it. It's up to you. So for 250 gram tomato, I add around 7 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 garlic. Now I'm gonna chop them together until they are smooth enough the way I like. It smells so delicious. I didn't even add the spices. It's only garlic, olive, and I use organic olive and this dry tomatoes. I just want to mix it a little, so make sure they move and they will chop evenly. I'm adding 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. I like cumin and it's very healthy. Now I'm gonna add my paprika, just this much. If you like it hot spicy, you can add hot spice and turmeric or like curry too. And also this is my oregano. If I have my Turkish kekik, I will add more, but the oregano is a little bit more hard at the taste, so I'm gonna add just a little. Now I will add some salt. You can always add more while you're eating. And I still feel I want to add a little bit more olive oil. And end of it, you can add walnut on top and mix it by hand. You can just crush the walnut. Okay, I'm done with chai. If your taste is so delicious, and I'm gonna eat it with white cheese. I will spread some of these to my bread and then put white cheese top of it. And you can add mint inside, and it's up to your imagination. I get enough to spread my bread for a couple days, and rest of it I put inside a jar, and I spread a little bit of olive oil to the top so it's not gonna dry while in refrigerator. You can keep it for weeks, nothing's gonna happen to it. It's like regular tomato paste. And since it was dry under the sun, and also we cook it a little bit, so it's basically like a tomato paste, but much delicious. It's much healthy way to eat it. You can even use for your favorite foods, like you can spread to your chicken and cook it on barbecue or in the oven. It's gonna give much delicious taste to your chicken or your meat. I did this mint to make tarhana soup, dry soup base in home. And next time, for my next video, I will show you how to make it. It's gonna be a powder. You're just gonna, every time you want to make soup, you're just gonna mix with water, and I will teach you how to make it, then you will eat it. Don't forget to watch my next video. I'm sure you will love it. It's very healthy, very delicious soup. They usually make it in Turkey and dry under the sun, but we don't have sun here now. Okay, my bread is ready. Now I'm gonna spread my dry tomato paste. To be honest, I like pita bread, but I will show you how you can offer to your guests. If you have a party, you can make little squares and little canapes to offer to your friends and guests. Let's show you how. I wanna taste it on the cracker. You can just offer to your guests on the crackers too for little canapes. They're so delicious. My little cute breakfast plate is ready to eat, and I hope you will make and you will enjoy it too.